For professional advisors, the Community Foundation really is many times an obvious solution for them. We work with their clients and find out what their values, what their causes, the areas that they are most passionate about.
The Community Foundation is a place where donors can give funds, and those funds can be distributed over a period of time. It's board of directors. It is a cross-section of our local community.
They help you make the right decisions, and they do so much research. They're able to present so much information that's helpful to you in making the choices that you make about what you do want to fund.
It is the least expensive way to do philanthropic giving over a long period of time.
We create a solution to them that provides for the way in which they want to work with their family members, the way in which they want us to consult with and work with the charities they want to benefit. All of that is customized in a fund agreement. And so professional advisors heretofore had no other mechanism to be able to provide that.
When you are thinking about providing for the future, well beyond your time on this earth, you want people fulfilling your philanthropic objectives that think outside the box, because what applies today will not necessarily apply tomorrow.
Think beyond yourself, your life, your limits. Think beyond with us.